Welcome to the English Conversation Learning Podcast. Today's episode is about shopping in a store. You will listen to a full conversation between a customer and a shopkeeper. This will help you learn how to ask about clothes, try them on, and buy shoes. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice daily English. Let's start. Good morning. Welcome to Trendy Styles. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking to shop for shoes, shirts, jackets, and some accessories.
Perfect. We've received new stock this week. Would you like to start with shoes or shirts?
Let's start with shoes. I need casual sneakers and something semi-formal for college events.
Great choice. We have casual sneakers in black, gray, navy, white, red, and beige. Semi-formal options include black and brown leather loafers, suede derbies, and moccasins. What's your size?
Size a 10.
Here's a black sneaker in size 10. Please try it.
Comfortable, but the design is a bit flashy. Do you have something plainer?
Yes, solid black lightweight sneakers with cushioned soles. Also available in navy, gray, and beige.
Black feels best. What is the price?
$75. Durable, breathable, and perfect for daily college use.
I'll take the black ones. What about semi-formal shoes?
Here are black leather loafers, brown loafers, suede derbies, and moccasins.
Show black loafers first.
Hands over.
Fits well. What is the price?
$90.
I'll take them. Also show brown loafers.
Sure.
Comfortable. Add these too.
For casual sports, we have running shoes in blue, gray, and neon colors.
I'll try gray running shoes.
Sure.
Fits well. I'll take them.
Now shirts, no casual or formal first.
Casual.
Cotton shirts, sky blue, olive green, gray, white, pastel shades. Checkered, striped, floral patterns, and short-sleeve summer shirts.
Show sky blue, striped, and checkered.
Sure.
Sky blue and striped fit perfectly. Add them. Checkered too.
For summer, we also have floral prints and short-sleeve pastel checks.
I'll try a light green floral shirt.
Sure.
Fits well. Add it.
Formal shirts. Plain white, light blue, pastel pink, striped, and check designs.
Light blue and white striped.
Sure.
Fits well. I'll take both.
D-shirts, plain cotton, graphic, polo, sports brands.
Plain cotton first.
Black, white, gray, maroon.
Black and white. Polo t-shirts.
Navy, gray, burgundy.
Navy works.
Graphic tees, college prints, music themes, sports logos.
College prints.
Sure.
I'll take two.
Moving on to bottoms, and we have jeans, chinos, casual trousers, and shorts.
I'll take jeans first. What fits do you have?
Slim fit, regular fit, relaxed fit, and tapered fit. Colors, navy, black, light blue, gray, and beige.
I'll try navy slim fit, black regular, and light blue casual.
Sure.
Comfortable, fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Black regular.
Slightly looser, perfect for casual days. I'll take it.
Light blue casual.
Very soft and flexible. Add it.
Janos, slim fit and regular fit. Colors on beige, gray, olive, and maroon.
Slim fit beige.
Sure.
Comfortable. Add it.
Shorts, denim, cotton, and sports. Colors, navy, black, khaki, and gray.
Navy cotton and black denim.
Sure.
Fits perfectly. Add both.
Jackets, leather, bomber, winter coats, raincoats.
Black leather, navy bomber, gray winter coat.
Sure.
I'll take all three. How about raincoats?
Transparent, navy, olive, and bright yellow for rainy days.
Navy and olive.
Sure.
I'll take both.
For casual wear, we also have denim jackets, hoodies, and zip-up sweatshirts. Colors: light blue denim, black, gray, maroon, navy.
Light blue denim jacket and navy zip-up hoodie.
Sure.
Fits well, add them.
Maroon pullover hoodie and gray zip-up fleece. Great for winter mornings.
I'll take both.
Jackets section complete. Shall we move to accessories?
Yes, let's do belts, wallets, and socks first.
We have leather belts in black, brown, and tan. Styles: full plain, braided, embossed.
Black plain and brown braided.
Sure.
Fits perfectly, I'll take both.
Wallets: leather, canvas, RFID protection, multiple card slots. Colors: black, brown, gray.
Black leather with RFID protection.
Sure.
Perfect, add it.
Socks: cotton packs, wool for winter, sports compression socks. Colors: black, white, gray, navy.
One cotton pack in mixed colors and a pair of black wool socks.
Sure.
I'll take both.
Sunglasses: you aviators, wayfarers, round frames, mirrored lenses. Colors: black, brown, silver.
Aviators in black and wayfarers in brown.
Sure.
Fits well, add both.
Ties: silk, cotton, knit patterns, my plain striped polka dots, checks, colors, and black, navy, red, gray.
Striped navy silk tie and a plain black cotton tie.
Sure.
I'll take both.
Watches: leather strap, metallic, digital sports smartwatches.
Leather strap and a digital sports watch.
Sure.
Perfect, add both.
Bracelets: leather, metallic, beaded, adjustable cords.
Metallic and beaded.
Sure.
I'll take both.
Rings: silver, stainless steel, simple, and statement styles.
Simple silver ring.
Sure.
Add it.
Hats and caps: baseball, snapback, fedora, beanies, colors, and black, white, brown, navy.
Black snapback and brown fedora.
Sure.
I'll take both.
Scarves, gloves, beanies for winter on wool, cashmere, fleece. Colors: navy, gray, black, maroon.
Navy scarf, gray beanie, black gloves.
Sure.
Add all three.
Tech accessories: headphones, wireless earbuds, portable chargers, smartwatches, phone cases.
I need wireless headphones, a power bank, and a smartwatch.
Wireless headphones, black over ear and white in ear. Power bank, 20,000 milliamp hours and 10,000 milliamp hours. Smartwatches, black strap and silver strap.
Black over-ear headphones, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, black strap smartwatch.
Sure.
Fits perfectly. Add all.
Chargers and tech organizers, USB-C, fast chargers, cable organizers.
Add one fast USB-C charger and a small cable organizer.
Sure.
I'll take both.
Backpacks and bags: leather, casual, sports, laptop compartments. Colors: black, brown, navy, gray.
Black leather backpack and blue gym bag.
Sure.
Perfect. Add both.
Sportswear: track pants, gym shorts, hoodies, sweatshirts. Colors: gray, navy, maroon, black.
Gray track pants, navy gym shorts, navy zip-up hoodie, maroon pullover.
Sure.
Add all four.
Shoe care and accessories: polish, extra insoles, laces, shoe cleaner.
Black polish, extra insoles, black laces, shoe cleaner, spray.
Sure.
I'll take all.
Water bottles, gym towels, yoga mats for sports and travel.
Black water bottle and gym towel.
Sure.
Add both.
Perfumes, citrus, woody, floral, musk.
Citrus and woody.
Sure.
Add both.
That completes your shopping today. Would you like to join our loyalty program for discounts, offers, and notifications?
Yes, please.
Before we finish, we have some new seasonal shoes. High-top sneakers, canvas shoes, slip-ons, and summer sandals.
Show me high-top sneakers and canvas shoes.
Black high-top navy and gray canvas shoes in size 10.
Both fit well. I'll take both.
Summer sandals, brown, black, and tan leather.
Brown leather.
Sure.
Add it.
Shirts. We have some new arrivals from our seasonal collection. Linen shirts, pastel shades, tropical prints, and long-sleeve casual shirts.
Show pastel yellow linen, tropical print, and light gray long sleeve.
Sure.
Fits perfectly. I'll take all three.
Short-sleeve casual shirts, denim, chambray, and cotton blend. Colors, light blue, white, beige.
Light blue denim and beige cotton blend.
Sure.
Add both.
T-shirts. We've got new graphic prints, band-themed, and motivational quotes.
Show motivational and band-themed.
Sure.
I'll take one of each.
Polo T-shirts. Summer collection with breathable fabric. Colors, light gray, navy, sky blue.
Sky blue.
Sure.
Add it.
Bottoms. New chinos and casual trousers. Slim fit, tapered, and relaxed fit. Colors, olive, beige, gray, maroon.
Olive slim fit and gray relaxed fit.
Sure.
Fits well. I'll take both.
Shorts, denim, cotton, sports mesh. Colors, black, navy, khaki, gray.
Black denim and navy cotton.
Sure.
Add both.
Jackets. We've got new trench coats, parkas, quilted jackets, windbreakers.
Show black trench coat, olive parka, navy quilted jacket.
Sure.
I'll take all three.
Windbreakers, lightweight, waterproof. Colors, red, gray, navy.
Navy.
Sure.
Add it.
Accessories, belts, wallets, hats, scarves, gloves, and caps. We also have new phone cases and laptop sleeves.
Black leather belt, brown braided belt, black RFID wallet, black snapback, brown fedora, navy scarf, black gloves, gray beanie, black phone case, gray laptop sleeve.
Sure.
Add all.
Sunglasses, aviators, wayfarers, mirrored lenses, round frames. Colors, black, brown, silver, gold.
Aviators black, wayfarers brown, mirrored lenses silver.
Sure.
I'll take all three.
Ties, silk, cotton, knit. Patterns, striped, polka dots, checks, colors, and black, navy, red, gray.
Striped navy silk, plain black cotton, red polka dot.
Sure.
Add all three.
Watches, leather strap, metallic, smartwatches, digital sports.
Leather strap, silver metallic, smartwatch black strap.
Sure.
Add all.
Bracelets, leather, metallic, beaded, adjustable cord.
Metallic and beaded.
Sure.
Add both.
Rings, silver, stainless steel, simple and statement styles.
Simple silver.
Sure.
Add it.
Tech accessories, headphones, earbuds, portable chargers, power banks, smartwatches, cable organizers.
Wireless black headphones, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Blackstrap smartwatch cable organizer.
Sure.
I'll take all.
Sportswear. Track pants, gym shorts, hoodies, sweatshirts, water bottles, gym towels.
Gray track pants, navy gym shorts, navy zip-up hoodie, maroon pullover, black water bottle, black gym towel.
Sure.
Add all.
Shoe care. Polish extra insoles, laces, shoe cleaner.
Black Polish extra insoles, black laces, shoe cleaner spray.
Sure.
I'll take all.
That completes your shopping. Would you like to join our loyalty program for discounts and notifications about new arrivals?
Yes, please.
Fantastic! Your shopping list is complete. A full set of shoes, shirts, t-shirts, bottoms, jackets, accessories, tech, sportswear, and seasonal items.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect.
That completes your shopping. Let's move to the billing counter.
Sure.
Let's review all your items first.
Sure.
Shoes. Black casual sneakers, black and brown loafers, gray running shoes, black high tops, navy canvas shoes, brown sandals.
Correct.
Shirts. Sky blue, striped, checkered, light green floral, light blue long sleeve, pastel yellow linen, tropical print, light gray long sleeve, light blue denim, beige cotton blend.
Correct.
D-shirts, black and white plain cotton, navy polo, 2 college graphic prints, band-themed motivational quote.
That's right.
Bottoms, navy slim fit jeans, black regular jeans, light blue casual jeans, beige slim fit chinos, olive slim fit chinos, gray relaxed fit trousers, black denim shorts, navy cotton shorts.
Correct.
Jackets, black leather, navy bomber, gray winter coat, navy and olive raincoats, light blue denim jacket, navy zip-up hoodie, maroon pullover, black trench coat, olive parka, navy quilted jacket, navy windbreaker.
Yes, that's everything.
Accessories, black leather belt, brown braided belt, black RFID wallet, black snapback, brown fedora, navy scarf, gray beanie, black gloves, black phone case, gray laptop sleeve, aviator black sunglasses, brown wayfarers, silver mirrored lenses, striped navy silk tie, plain black cotton tie, red polka dot tie, leather strap watch, silver metallic watch, black smartwatch, metallic and beaded bracelets, silver ring.
That's all correct.
Sports and tech, wireless black headphones, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, cable organizer, gray track pants, navy gym shorts, navy zip-up hoodie, maroon pullover, black water bottle, black gym towel, black shoe polish, extra insoles, black laces, shoe cleaner spray.
Yes, everything is included.
Perfect. Let's calculate your total.
Okay.
Your total comes to $2,145.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Of course, swipe or tap your card here.
Pay's done.
Payment successful. Would you like a printed receipt, huh?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. You've also earned points in our loyalty program. Would you like to sign up for updates and future discounts?
Yes, please.
Great! You're now enrolled. You'll receive notifications for new arrivals and special offers.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect today.
Thank you for shopping at Trendy Styles. Enjoy your new items and have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.